Have you ever found yourself charting away on TradingView, meticulously analyzing price movements, drawing trend lines, and perfecting your indicators, and then thought, this platform is so good, I wish I could actually invest in it? If so, you're not alone. Many traders and investors, captivated by TradingView's powerful tools and vibrant community, often wonder about the possibility of becoming a direct investor in the company itself. But can you actually invest in TradingView? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's clarify what we mean by investing in TradingView. Are we talking about buying shares of the company on a public stock exchange, or something else? This distinction is crucial because it dictates how, and if, you can get a piece of the TradingView pie. The most straightforward way to invest in a company is to buy its stock on a public exchange like the Nasdaq or NYSE. However, TradingView is currently a privately held company. This means its shares are not publicly traded, and you won't find a TV or similar ticker symbol to buy through your standard brokerage account. So, if your goal is to log into your E-Trade or Fidelity account and purchase TradingView stock, you'll be disappointed. This brings us to the next logical question: if it's private, can you still invest? The answer is yes, but it's not as simple. As a private company, direct investment in TradingView is primarily limited to a select group of investors. Typically, this includes accredited investors and institutional investors who participate in private funding rounds. These are often venture capital firms, large investment funds, or individuals who meet specific financial criteria set by regulatory bodies. They invest directly with the company during different stages of its growth. You might also hear about pre-IPO marketplaces or secondary markets where shares of private companies are sometimes traded. Platforms like Nasdaq Private Market or Hive facilitate these transactions. On these platforms, existing shareholders of a private company, like early employees or investors, might sell their shares to other accredited investors. While this offers a pathway to potentially acquire shares, it's still restricted to accredited investors, and the availability of shares can be limited and fluctuate. The process is also more complex and less liquid than buying shares on a public exchange. So, while the dream of easily clicking buy on TradingView's stock might not be a reality right now, it doesn't mean you can't participate in the financial markets through TradingView. In fact, that's precisely what millions of users do every day. TradingView is a fantastic platform for analyzing a vast array of financial instruments, stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, and more. You can connect your existing brokerage accounts to TradingView and execute trades directly from their powerful charts. This means you are essentially leveraging TradingView's superior charting and analytical tools to invest in other companies and assets that are publicly traded. Think of it this way: TradingView provides the high-performance engine and sophisticated dashboard for your trading vehicle. While you can't buy shares of the engine manufacturer, yet, you can use that engine to navigate the vast landscape of publicly traded investments. Many brokers have integrated directly with TradingView, allowing seamless trading. This offers a phenomenal user experience where you can conduct all your research and execute trades within a single, unified interface. The question of an initial public offering, or IPO, for TradingView is one that frequently comes up in the financial community. An IPO would allow the general public to invest in TradingView by buying its shares on a stock exchange. While there has been speculation and rumors about a potential TradingView IPO in the past, nothing has been officially announced or confirmed. Until that day comes, if it ever does, direct investment in TradingView shares remains largely in the realm of private equity and accredited investors. In conclusion, you cannot directly invest in TradingView by buying its stock on a public exchange today because it's a private company. While there are avenues for accredited investors to potentially acquire shares in secondary private markets, for the average retail investor, the primary way to invest with TradingView is by using its exceptional platform to trade and analyze publicly available financial instruments. It empowers your trading journey, even if you can't own a piece of the platform itself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.